My name is Vadim. I'm search engine optimization and digital marketing expert at BeOnTop. And in this webinar, I want to show you how we at BeOnTop analyze website before we start search engine optimization. So because we need to create the strategy for any website. For example, if you have building construction, so you need to have the plan, architectural plan. So for search engine optimization is the same. You need to analyze website first and create the strategy for not just 1 or 2 months. It's strategy for the 6 or 12 months to achieve the first page position for your priority keywords. And I have spent half of my life for search engine optimization, and I know so many things about so many parameters which working on Google. And right now, step by step, in front of you, it will be live. I will show you how to do analysis, professional analysis. So the first step, we need to analyze the backlinks to understand the history of the backlinks and quality of backlinks. And of course, anchor list. Anchor list, if you don't know what is it, it's like when in the link you have the text. So the text link, it's anchor. Anchor list means like all this text, all this text of link. So we need to understand like how your keywords appear on this anchor list. We'll start from the first website. Let me just switch my screen. Okay, so Step Up International. So we will use three tools. Okay, the first tool is Majestic, second Ahrefs, and Google Search Console. For Google Search Console, to analyze the backlinks, we need to have the ownership of the website. We need to verify the website on the Google Search Console. If we don't have access to a website, we can use only Majestic and Ahrefs. I go to the ahrefs.com. I will start with ahrefs.com. Let me just copy paste. And sorry, ahrefs.com. And I just put the website. It will be domain. I type here and check the history of backlinks of this website. So what is the most important parameters here? First of all, of course, amount of reference domains. So means how many other websites link to the stepupinternational.com. We can see only just one backlink we have from one domain. So means it's a new website. Nobody did any search engine optimization, and for of course for the positions we should have at least like 100-200 reference domains to get the first page of Google. So we don't have anchor list for this website, of course, because no backlinks, and for us it's fresh website. It's good for us because we don't have bad history. Sometimes we are getting websites who's in the first one day is getting like 500 backlinks, 500 reference domains in 1 week, in 1 month. It's a huge dynamic. So we should have the dynamic like maximum 10 reference domains a week or a month, and it should be growth. For this website we don't have any data, so means it's fresh website. It's good because we can start from scratch and build the strategy for 6 months, 12 months without keywords, without anchor list, so we can do it from beginning. It's amazing. More difficult to work with the problem website. And second website we can see here. Guys, do you hear me? It's fine, all good? So just please type plus in the chat if you hear me. Okay, great. So second website, teammobilityshipping.com. As we can see, it's also the same. It's just zero. Even they don't have, this website doesn't have backlinks. I want to show you another website. Let me take from the chat this one, just to compare. Okay, great. So we have website with the backlinks. Okay, let's analyze what we see here. First of all, we see the dynamic. So in January and February, from the February until July, we have very good dynamic. You know, like it's around plus, let's say, 100 links within 6 months, from January to July, 6 months. Then it stopped. So means like we work with the website, then we stopped. Yes, it's good because it's not just in 1 month we got 100 backlinks, and you see the website also is old, it's 2016. So for us, it's good parameters, so we can achieve the results. Second, we need to understand what anchor list they have. So we go here to anchors and just analyze the anchor text for all links. So the first one is the company name or domain name. It's great. So it looks natural. Then download some some other. And so what I need to see here. So for me, it's very important to understand, is it spam anchor list or not? How to understand spam anchor list? For example, if we use only our keywords, if I use, for example, WooCommerce plugin, download like this keyword. If I use just only this keyword with maybe some variations and just without my company name, it looks spam domains, and for sure Google has already the filter for all these backlinks, and maybe manual action for manual sanction on the website. We just need to check on the webmaster search console, Google Search Console. So here, I don't think so this is spam, because look, it looks natural. So we have the company name, we have some even the domain name anchors. So looks natural, means this website doesn't have any filter. I can show you some websites with the filter just to compare. Let me just go through any spam domains. I will show you how it looks like. So I go to this tool. It's like this website where we can see the expired domains and domains with backlinks. Let's see this one, the first one, 5,000 reference domains, and let's check their anchor list. See, it's like only some keywords, but different like different niches keywords. It looks absolutely unnatural, and this is for sure this domain has banned by Google. Okay, so we have 3 websites right now. Let's do analysis of 3 websites. Okay, I need to open this one as well. Same for Majestic. We can understand, because it's almost the same tools, but Ahrefs, they have maybe more data than Majestic. Sometimes I see that Majestic has more data than Ahrefs, so we can check both and understand. I like Majestic because I can see the anchor list like it's like a picture. So when I go, for example, let me open this website. Yeah. So when I go in Majestic, I just use domain. Yeah. So if I go to anchor text, I can see the anchors and just compare with this website. Look, their anchor list. So we can understand that it's a spam domain and spam website. So how it can happen? Bad developers, website was hacked. So many things like can happen to get this picture. And of course, in our case, Step Up International, it's a new domain, new website, maybe not new website, means fresh as per backlinks. But website can be old if you don't do SEO, and of course nobody will put the link. So is it also fresh? And the third one, we have some backlinks, and we also can understand quality of these backlinks. Second parameter is quality. How I can understand the quality? In Majestic SEO and Ahrefs, they have their own parameters. It's trust flow and citation flow on Majestic. Good parameters. The best one is like if you have the same trust flow and almost the same citation flow. If your trust flow is low and citation is higher, means like you have spam backlinks. So just understand it. Trust flow and citation flow should be the same. And of course, it should be with more than 10, more than 15 is the best. If you compare, for example, BeOnTop.ai, our website, we have 16 and 30. For us also, it's not super good because it should be 16 and 16 or 30. But if you will check not domain, if you will check the homepage, it will be like better picture. Let's see. Because we have a lot of backlinks for the homepage, it's 25 and 40, so we have more trust flow. Trust flow is like the best parameter. So in Ahrefs also they have domain authority. Let me just open Ahrefs. And I will put same like this website. All right. So domain rank it's 47 is good, very good, to be honest. Means like they have good web backlinks with the ranks as well. And URL rank is 16. I'm at homepage URL 16. So if you compare with the BeOnTop, I can give you more details about this one in my course. If you will buy my 4 sessions course for just 500 dirham, you can get more. I will explain you more about all these parameters and how to analyze deeply the backlinks. And yes, for BeOnTop, we have also URL rank is 16 and domain rank is 53. So a little better backlinks we have. So okay, so what I need to understand when I do backlink analysis is new website or old website. Do we have spam anchor list or penalty from the Google, and the strategy. So we can create the strategy. So if we'll have, for example, our keywords, list of keywords, and we need to compare list of keywords with our anchor list. If we don't have keywords there, so it means like we need to create the strategy to change backlinks, anchor text of backlinks which existing if it's possible, or create new one with our keywords. Or if we have good anchor list, we need to work with the different parameters. Maybe backlinks we don't need to focus like deeply, so we need to just like make 10 backlinks a month. But other parameters like website, maybe social media signals, we need to focus on like and spend more money and more time for that. All right, so second, social media activity. This is, I think nobody care about it when you do a search engine optimization, but Google, of course, understand first, do you have traffic from social media? Do we have backlinks from social media? Of course, Google understands it, and even in Google, if you type any keyword, you can see sometimes Twitter posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts. Sometimes it's happening. So it means Google crawling all this social media, and in social media posts you have backlinks with redirection. It's not just directly to BeOnTop or to your website, but you have redirection. So Google understands redirections as well. So if you have redirection backlink, it's almost direct backlink. That's why for social media you need to work hard. Every week you need to do at least one post with unique content, unique picture. Maybe you should make some graphic design or like create picture with your camera, and then do the post with your URL, with your website URL. It's not only just homepage, it can be internal pages, depend what the post about, and hashtags. So for us, it's very important that our clients, they have social media and they do some activity there. If they don't do, we recommend them to work on it, or we suggest and provide them our services to, like it will be more expensive for search optimization, but it's included in the package for search and optimization. And we will do 1 post a week or 2 posts a week, depending on the customers. But of course, customer can do by themselves. And the main social media accounts and pages, links to these pages and accounts should be from your website. For example, let's check website, stepupinternational.com. I don't see any icons going to the social media. For me, as a user, and for the Google as well, as an assessor of Google, assessor is people, real people who is analyzing the search, Google search results, and they have the list of parameters that also they do their own checklist. And if, for example, I don't see something important on the page on the which I see on the first page, right, on the website, if I don't see, so for example, some parameters, I need to, I'm assessor, right? I need just to provide the quality of the page, quality of website, like low quality. So that's why the websites can fall down because of assessor check. And if you correct it, and machine learning, like the algorithm, will understand that you add some important parameters and will return your website to the first page, or you will just grow on the first position. I don't know. So it depends on the website. So here I don't see the social media. Means that this website, maybe this company has social media accounts and like business accounts and business pages, but it's not mentioned here. Of course, we need to check also in the Google. Second website, team mobility. And what I need to check, the icons. I need to find icons for social media. Same, I don't see. This is, for me, it's like the signal that the company just created, or maybe it's fake website. I don't know. And the last website, yeah, here we see different social media. Then I need to check activity. Okay, the first, I see the nice cover. I see content, so means like they do some posts. The last post was 16, no, it's pin post, right? No, yeah, 16th of April. That's great. 7th of April with the links, with the hashtags. This is amazing. That I think this company, this website has organic traffic, and maybe if you need just focus on specific keywords, you need to optimize different part of your website. So backlinks we have, posts we do regularly. This is the perfect search engine optimization. I mean, off-page search engine optimization. And Twitter, it should be the same, dynamic. March, yes, yes, yes. But I don't see the links. You need to add the links, because just one I see, and this post I don't see. So try to add links for each post. It will help. And LinkedIn. Here I don't, yeah, I see the link. So a link to your website, not to other websites, of course. So you need to create article on your website, then provide the link, or services, doesn't matter, but it should be your website. And also YouTube channel. In YouTube also you need to add the link in description. Yeah, great. So all good. So now you understand the second check, social media activity. You should have business pages on Facebook, Instagram, the most popular social media, and do post regularly. You can repeat the same post for all services, for all social media, but it should be unique set. The third is Google brand visibility. We need to understand how Google crawled website before, like what is the brand awareness, website awareness, not only brand, website as well. So I need to check. This is keywords which I need just to type on Google and understand how many websites mention our company. And one by one I will do for each website. Step Up International. So I type quotes and domain, and then I can see 20 results, but I think we have more. Yes, we just need to click to show all results. So the website we see, this is our website pages. Okay, domain. Then only website is showing. So then started from different websites. LinkedIn, okay, Instagram. So we have Instagram for Step Up because it's mentioned domain there. So means we just need to add the icon on the website. Yeah, this website, but very less, to be honest. Then we have Instagram posts. Okay, Google shows all Instagram posts crawled. It's great because we have. I hope we have linked to our website. It's mentioned. Okay, great. So from Instagram we have a lot of pages. So you need to understand visibility. Just type your domain on on Google with the quotes, or you also can do with the stars, and to check all URLs, not only just domain, and understand how many results you have. Guys, did you understand why I need to check the visibility? Please just type plus if you understand. If not, I will explain again. Okay, great. So visibility is very important. If we have popular company, for example, it can be we will fix. I know this company. It's like handymans and other like services. They have a lot of minivans with the stickers on the website. So they have a lot of direct traffic on the website, and they have a lot of searches with the brand, and of course visibility in internet. But their optimization, their website optimization is very bad. But they're on the top. They're on the first or second position for almost for all keywords. Why? Because Google trusts very popular companies. So we need to make our company popular. If we can't spend money for the minivans and do some stickers or buy billboards, but we can do the same on the internet. We can add, we can spread our information about our company with our pictures in different websites and make it visible. So just before you start search optimization, you need to understand your company is popular or not. How to do it? Of course, backlinks, web directories, social media, so many, whatever you can do, just you can try to repeat different companies. Same, you can type any domain with the quotes and check their visibility, try to repeat it. But in the beginning, you need to understand how many like websites refer this domain and understand like should you focus on it or not. Same for other website. I just type domain here and I will check visibility. For the third, I think that's all good because there are a lot of social media as well and the backlinks. And for this one, yeah, some of categories, but very less. If I open, of course, all results, I will see all my pages. No, not all my pages. I see some. Oh, look, we have social media, but we didn't mention the social media links on the website. So the last post was 1 year ago. right? Yes, 1 year ago. Dynamic is very bad. Should be once a week. And also we don't see any links on social media. So other websites, just make a strategy. How to use it, of course, I can explain on my course, but it's like long story, to be honest. I can't explain everything in 1 hour. Right now we spend 25 minutes and we have more. So I have 13 checks. Okay, next, a UI and UX design. So what we need to see on the first screen, we need to see, it's mostly for web design. On the first screen, we need to see our contact details. This can be phone, email, form, and H1, the pictures relevant to our to our keywords, and like should be looks good in PC, on PC and mobile. I go inspect code, just switch to mobile, and this is how I look on mobile. Again, I need to see the phone number, picture relevant to my website or keyword, headline, it should be H1, and the form on the first screen, and mobile and PC. So step up international. On mobile, I see the font, great, I can easily call. It's good because it's UI and UX design. I see the pictures, I see some headlines. I don't know, like it's H1, let me check. H1 is here, it's not on the first screen, but it's fine. Sometimes we can put H1, but I suggest to put on the first, before the form, because I need to understand where I am. If I'm on this page, I need, if I came from, even from advertising, from social media or from Google Ads, I need to understand that I'm the right page, with the offer or headline, at least to understand where I am. So here, headline should be here, before, between form and slider. On the home page, everything is, yeah, H1 is here, but I can see the big headlines here. It's not as per search optimization like H1 headline, but as per user, it's also big titles on the screen. So I can understand where I am with the pictures. A second website, I can't understand where I am. Sorry. Team Mobility, okay, we deliver smiles. So they provide smiles or what? Business, what is the business? Meet, yes, man, logistic. Okay, logistic, but okay, how I can call? Okay, the small font of the phone on the top. Yeah, it's should be bigger, of course. We can do the same like on step up, like more contrast, bigger font. In the mobile, let's just check how it's look like as well. There are no phone on the first screen. I can't contact. So it's these guys. It's parameters for search optimization as well. So user interface should be the best. If you have the best, you have more calls, more leads. Google likes this type of websites. You need to add your fonts and form, title, picture relevant to your service on the first screen. And the last one, here is a little different business. You buy online, but we need to understand what we want to buy. So best rate WooCommerce plugins. Okay, great. So I understand on the first screen, big title. I think this is amazing website, to be honest. I like it. I like SEO. It's amazing. We need to check out the parameters as well. So the first screen, very important. And of course, other information should be about the business relevant to the page. It shouldn't be only just a landing page. We should have different pages with like to explain about, to discover our niche. I will tell you about this later. Then important pages. It's like, you know, in Office you should have I don't know, like tables and some instructions, how, like, where is exit and other stuff. So same for website. For Google is like at low. You should have privacy policy. You should have terms of use. If it's e-commerce, a refund policy, payment, delivery, about us, about the company, who is this company. So maybe it's fake company. and write contact us page with the address, phone number. So it should be real website. Okay, let's check on each website. Privacy policy, terms and conditions, great. About us, so it should be also with the maybe with the team or with some like more content. I think here it should be more, because about us, it's about us. It's about the team, about the clients, about everything. So we need to have the like huge content about the company. And here, let's just check. There are no privacy policy, so it's missing. So we need to have in the plan to add this type of pages and understand, check competitors. Maybe you should have more pages about that. And WooCommerce here, I think if you provide online payment, you should have refund policy, support policy, privacy policy, terms and conditions, license. That is amazing. Okay, so next one, load speed. Yeah, the best part. So we should have fast website. Fast means maximum 3 seconds. Our page, our website should like load. If it's more than 3 seconds, for a search optimization, it's not criminal. Of course, it's not. Maybe 7, 6. It's fine. Also, yeah, I saw a lot of websites on the top with this type of speed, but it's one of the parameters. If you have slow website but on the top, it means your other parameters are better. But if your competitor will repeat the same what you did before and improve website, he will be on the top, not you. So, and also if you spend money for advertising for Google, Facebook, you need to have fast target page, because I have like, I'm sleeping I'm in the bed, I just check my timeline and click on the ad, I go to website and it's like 7 seconds, I close and go back. So it's like huge bounce rate. You need to have fast website, and of course optimization, technical optimization include website speed. So the first is Google Page Insights. It's a Google. Will check I will check home pages only right now, but you need to check all pages, of course. And so first I check Google Page Speed Insights. I'll check for all websites. This takes time. Okay, Step Up International. Okay, the perfect parameter is from 90 to 100. If you're in the red zone, you should try to improve. But this tool, page speed, it's not 100% correct. We tried, we play with a lot of our, we try to correct a lot of websites, but even if you check 2 times, 3 times, or you check today, tomorrow again, the results will be different. But of course, we should understand why we have results in the red zone and try to improve it. Maybe you add big picture, like huge pictures with weight, let's say 1 MB. You need to optimize this one. Maybe you have the code is like, the code on the website is not optimized, and that's why the speed index is less. Or maybe hosting, also is very important parameter, hosting. If you're hosting in shared hosting in the US with 4,000 websites, of course your speed will be less, and you need to improve your, increase your resources of the server. So all these parameters like code, hosting, images, it's like depend on your score. You should have around 90 to 100 for mobile and desktop. On desktop here 82, it's good. On mobile is 46, So I think if we have speed index 8% or 8 seconds, almost 9 seconds, we need to try to check other hosting. It can be improved. And also we can check in other tools. I will explain you the download speed should be 1 second, maximum 1 second, 1 MB. If it's more than 1 second, means you have some problem with the internet connection. Second website, 0. Desktop, 15. So difference between step up, speed index 9 seconds, here 22. So you see, and the first this parameter, when you generate the content on the first screen, look, it's like 14 seconds, and step up it's 2.3 seconds, and the last website 13 and 46. So same, some problem with maybe with the hosting, maybe something that we need to check with developers how to improve it. And the second tool, we can use BeOnTop. Here we can understand the load speed from different servers. For example, I will choose Germany from Europe. I will just type my website. I can understand the load speed. And same, I will not open and I will not check this tool. It's the same like BeOnTop, but provide more details, maybe instruction for developers how to optimize. Okay, the page side 3.8 and almost 5 seconds. It's good because no, like less than 5 seconds. How we can improve it? Like we need to reduce the page size. Mostly it's just the pictures. We just need to optimize the pictures, save with the load rate. So if our page size will be 2 MB, it will be around 3 seconds. Next website. It takes time, just wait. The field I will not check because we spent 37 minutes right now. Of course, we will not finish in like 7 o'clock. Guys, if you have time, please just type plus. I will spend more time for you. That's great. Okay. Okay, so second website, it's 7.6 MB and load speed 2.62 seconds. It's amazing, to be honest. Like means like maybe server in Germany and they have very fast speed. So, but this parameter is very huge. We need to decrease, like it should be 2 MB, 3 MB maximum. Okay, and the third one, I will not check. Please check yourself. It's very interesting. So you need to understand that your website target page should be maximum 3 MB, 3 MB maximum. And the next check is structured data. Structured data, it's like special data, okay, which let's say easy way, okay. So we can just integrate special code inside the website and to show the robots your company name, your like organization, right? Phone number. So like basic parameters about the business. Let me just explain how to check it. You need just to go to the structured data. It's search.google.com structured data testing tool, and then you just type your page, and then you understand what is the structured data you provide. So for step up, we have structured data organization, the name of organization, and the website. It's very like it's nothing. So it should be more parameters. So if you compare with other website, let's check on this website. Structured data. And the third one as well. So the second one is some Henry. I don't know what is it. I never hear about this structured data. So it should be organization or a company like this. So it's something wrong here as well. And the last one, yeah, this example for you, a web page. Okay, so see how many parameters we provide to search engine and other services, not only search engine, because robots, it's not just Google, robots, different services as well. They also use this information for their websites or software, and here we see the description, we see the URL, we see the name of the company with our keywords. So this is all good. Only which I don't see social media links. Social media links also we need to integrate to structured data. Next one, we need to check the website history. Who is, first of all, when the domain was registered, it's we can check only for international domains like home, not only international, like other domains, but not AE domain. AE domain we can't understand when it will be expired or when it was registered, but we can understand at least for other domains. And web archive, we can understand the history of the website. So what I need to do now, I just go whois.net and add here our domain, stepupinternational.com. I can understand because no, I can see details because it's com domain. Okay, it was registered 2016 right now, and it's like 20. It's like 4 years domain. It's in July, almost 4 years domain. It's old domain, but no backlinks. Very strange, right? It should be backlinks. So means never nobody provide SEO for them. Also, we can understand what is the hosting. It's Mocha host. I don't think so. This is good host, to be honest. Of course, we need to check it. And second website, same also com domain. Let me. Sorry guys for that. Too many tabs, sorry. Okay, second website. Here also, no, 2018 in June, 2 years domain. Also 0 backlinks. Hosting also we can see cloudhostingme.com. And the second we need to check for web archive. Web archive, it's like huge archive about all websites. It's like Google, but for download, like do backups for websites. And if you have good search optimization, so means if you have backlinks, if you have old websites, you can see the history on web archive. Web archive can't go through, can't download your website if you're not visible on internet. If you don't have any backlinks, you will not have backup here. For step up, I don't think so. We have backup. Let me just check. And the second website. So for you, oh yes, we had. Let's check 2017. So right now we have this website and what it was before. So we can understand the history. If, for example, if you have changed the niche, you bought domain, but before it was, for example, adult content, and you bought and this became like, let's say, education. It's very bad for Google. We'll never achieve the results. So you need to understand the history of website. Let's check in 2017. We have the same content. I mean, we have same niche website, sales training, presentation training, but it was very old website. So right now we have new version of website. It's good. History is very good. Second website. So just understand why you need to check again who is and web archive. You need to understand what other company, maybe like it's somebody work with the website, what they did. If you can understand how they wrote the texts. Maybe it was not unique text. You can check also in web archive content uniqueness. You can understand the quality of websites. Maybe it was long time just website didn't work, and suddenly it started working. So means it's like not new, not old website, it's new website because nobody worked before. Website didn't work. You need to check the history of the website. And next, affiliates. We need to understand, do we have copy of the same company with the same contact details in other websites? We had a lot of cases when client came with 5 websites. So they provide us only one, but they have 5 copies or 5 different websites with the same contact details, same company name, but different maybe content. Of course, for Google it's affiliates, and only one website will appear on the first page. We need just to search our phone number, company name on Google. In different formats. I can see the same number on different website. It's URL, UE, same contact detail. We should have. We can use the same number, but for different niches. If, for example, I have the company BeOnTop, it's a company for digital marketing. I have my office, my contact details, but I want to open printing services and create new website with the same contact details, same office address. It's fine because it's different niches. I will never use these printing service keywords on BeOnTop. I will use in different website. But if you have 2 cleaning company websites with the same contact details, same phone number, here Google will affiliate them, and you will have the problem with the search engine optimization. If the first website, Google decide that this first one website is more optimized than other website or more old, Google will never show the second website on the first page. Never. We need to check these parameters. I will not check right now, so you can check yourself. 11, indexing. We need to understand what is the situation with website with indexing on Google. I need just to type site codes, code and domain name on Google search and understand how many pages indexed and compare with my indexing by SEO Pro. It's a software which I will show you later. Here I see 120 results. Let me check, is it all results? No. Let me check all results. 120. Google showed me only 120. I think it's a correct number, but maybe it's more pages. Okay, no worries. Of course, we can understand in the prop indexing if we have Google Search Console, where we can see the coverage. Okay, bye Mohammed, no worries. Okay, so we can see the whole list of your indexed pages on Google Search Console. If we don't have access, we can check only like this. I found 120 pages, means website is indexing. We just need to check, compare, is it like right number or it's more pages? If it's, let's say 500 pages, but only 120 we have on the search, means something wrong with the website or with optimization. Second website, I see 15 pages. Same, I can't understand this is the right number or not. We need to check with the SEO Frog and then compare with the Google search. And for last website, 239 results pages. Then when you check the indexing of the pages, you need to check indexing of the images. It's also very important to understand how many images Google crawled for your website. Same parameter, site column, your domain name, but on the images search, and you can understand how many approximate images you have. So this website has a lot of images indexed. It's very nice. Means Google likes the images, and just because I see it's mostly for maybe it's unique images. We need to check later. Second website, Step Up. We have also a lot of images indexed, and the last one. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, because not much pages, and that's why we don't have a lot of content. So it's also the strategy. For movers and packers, we need to have at least 80 pages with pictures. So for us, if we'll do a search optimization, if I will do search optimization, I will create the plan for 6 months, 8 months to create new pages on the website with images, unique content. And also we need to check cache, how Google crawl the website. Any page, like few pages, I go just cache, and I can see, because sometimes the Google crawl in different way. This one is fine, no mistakes. It's very slow website to be honest. Okay, okay, it's downloaded. So it's the same. Okay, and next check. SEO Frog. This is a spider where we can just go through all our links on the website and understand where is the images, how many JavaScript, CSS files and pages on the website we have. We can understand meta tags. We can find bad quality pages, different errors with status code, and even internal links we can also understand. This is the software. I will do step by step, like all 3 websites I will do check. Okay, I just go to the spider, type here my URL. I do the manually settings. I allowed my robots.txt, and I not allowed no follow links and no follow internal and external links. So, and I just go like a Google robot through all my URLs. Again, it can be images, can be HTML pages, some other files. So let's just check. Then I can filter by HTML. This is my pages. Like we saw 120 pages Google crawled. Let's see how many pages will be crawled by SEO Frog, and we will compare. So I open again for a new website. Stop. Another website. Okay, it's like taking time. This one will be faster, I think so, because it's just 12 pages. Yeah. Okay, so while scrolling, we can understand status code. 200 is good, 400 is bad, 301 also is bad. We need to have all our URLs with the 200. Just filter by status code, see how many files, like two images, one a link to the not existing page, again images, redirection. So we need just correct it. Then I can, let me just delete these pages with status code. I'll keep only my pages which appear like, yeah. Okay, then I need to understand bad quality pages without content or less content. I just go to this column, word count, filter by words, then I can open the page without content or less content. So tracking is just a form. Maybe we need to add more content here, or it's fine also, we can keep. This is okay. Second, again, tracking. Two pages we see here, one with HTTPS, one with HTTP. So it means we don't have redirection, homepage redirection. Also, it's one of the check I will show you later. Then this page, about us, few content as well, but we have some content. So like this, you can understand the bad pages. And step up, same. Let me check by status code. Only one redirection from HTTP. We just need to correct. And then I go count by words. So this is gallery. One image, not one image. So okay, gallery, we don't have words, it's fine. We can keep it. Category, Khalid times. Wait, it's a different website, sorry. Gallery, I will not touch gallery. Pages, I go to the contact us, Kari. So we just check what kind of pages. We don't have content. And open each page and understand how we can improve it. Improve with the more content, unique content. So this page, again, we have content, but we can improve it. We can increase the content, add more unique content on the pages. And the last website. So here also, what you need to check, not only just bad pages and status code. So you can understand meta tags. I go to my page titles and I can see all page titles. We have only just, the 1-2 words. It's not optimized. It should be a good optimized title with the keywords relevant to our page. Same for the description, meta description. Here also absolutely not optimized descriptions. Headlines. The first headline is very long. It's like 79 characters. It's huge. It should be very like maximum 4 or 5 words. And so we need to, for this website, we need to do meta tags, descriptions, like for all pages, check content, check pages without content, add more content there, optimized for our keywords. So it's like the plan for the months. And also H2 we can understand. And here also, if I go to the page, any page, I can see how many times I use my H1, 1 or 2. So on this website we have only 1. On another website we have also only 1. On the about us page, see, we have 1, 2 H1 on about us page. This is mistake. It should be 1 H1 only, and we have 1, 2 H2 is correct. So I think here we need to about us to make just not a headline. It should be like div or p, and keep this one on the headline and change it. And also we can see the meta titles, descriptions. Here no descriptions at all. This website absolutely not optimized, and no works. Like, it's a lot of work we need to do for team mobility shipping, because no pages, no content, no meta text, nothing, no backlinks, so like zero. Huge work. We need to spend so much time for that, to write the unique content, find the pictures, make the pictures. So it's like huge work, and very competitive, like industry, movers and packers. So it's very difficult. And but it's possible, of course. It takes time, but it's possible, because we did from scratch website for Speedy Drive and Quick Leads, and both websites right now for rent a car on the top, on the homepage, like on the first page on Google, keywords rent a car from zero. Okay, and the next, here also we can check internal links. Again, I go to the next check. It's will be website structure, and we'll back to the internal links. Website structure. How to compare? Okay, for example, you go to the shop, and you see on the shop in the shop about, let's say shop about Christmas trees. Okay, and you go to the shop and you see only 3 Christmas trees, and you don't have option, just 3 Christmas trees. Okay, and you just buy one or not buy, because you see another shop just nearby with the 200 Christmas trees. Of course, you have so many options you can choose. You can buy with like the price and other stuff. Same for website. How Google understand what is website more relevant for your keyword or another website. Same like this example. If you have 1 page, 3 page, 10 pages about your niche, and your competitor has 200 pages about your niche, explain, provide case studies, provide some tips, blogs about the one topic only. I don't know, so many like things you can write about just one group of keywords. So you have 15 pages or 200 pages. Who is relevant? Of course, bigger website with so many pages about only one industry. It's more relevant. How many backlinks you have here, or your company is popular, you will never be on the top. This website provides more details. So you need to have you should discover your niche, analyze your competitors, and create the strategy to write more content about your keywords, about your industry. For example, we are a search engine optimization company, and we want to be on the first page. If I will just create one page on the website, homepage, I will add my keywords, will provide backlinks and do something, I will never be on the top if I will not do other pages relevant to search engine optimization. I need to provide my case studies, my results, some blogs, like articles about the search engine optimization, other pages, like important pages about my company with my keywords. So I need to have a lot of pages about one about your niche in one website. If you have only few, you will never be on the top. So that's why when you think about search optimization, you usually check on the keywords and the backlinks and other stuff, but you never think and never create the strategy how you can create more pages about your keywords. For Step Up International, we have like it's public. Let me just check keywords. I go on the chat. Public speaking, leadership, presentation. So, for example, I'm looking for presentation, whatever, like training, coach, and other keywords. I want to know more about presentation on the website. And that's why Google never show my website if I don't have answers for the questions for the people who search these keywords. Presentation, you just need to think or compare your and check your competitors, what kind of pages they have about presentation, because it's not just one, they have a lot. And try to create this website structure with the new pages and like, let's say 5 or 10 pages, new pages create a month, and you will get results for your keywords, even if you will not do other work, backlinks or social media. If you just increase the pages about your niche, about your keyword on the website. Same for the other keywords, public speaking, leadership. So when I go to the page, I need to see, yes, this is public speaking tips, public speaking articles, public speaking testimonials, public speaking, like so many pages about public speaking and training prices. So many, like we can just create, and then our website will be on the top on Google, because we answer for all questions of people who search these keywords. Because public speaking can be, for example, I can type and I don't want to buy the course. Maybe I want something else, something else. And I just want to know what is it like. So means we need to create the article, explain what is public speaking. And so we need to cover all questions on the website. That's why when we do quick list or speedy drive website, rent the car, or BeOnTop, if you open our BeOnTop website, we have a lot of pages about rent the car. We have blog, we have cars, a lot of cars. We add ourselves, we suggest to customers, please just create one car with different years, with unique content, different prices, because year is different. And we have built this project within like 6 months, 8 months, and we achieve the result because we work hard and provide more pages on the website, plus backlinks and other stuff. But the most important to have the website with a lot of pages about your niche. When you have a lot of pages, you can check and SEO frog your internal links. So you shouldn't just have, let's say, a menu, you just type courses. No, this is not correct. You should have anchor text of your link also with your keywords. So you can put keyword from menu, you can put keyword from the content, just choose the right word and put keyword and put link to another page. So internal links. And SEO frog, when you export your all in links file, you will have huge file where you can understand internal links. For example, I go to the homepage of StepUp. When I go to the in links, this one, yeah. When I go to links, I can understand anchor text and alt text if we have image, a link image to the homepage. What I can see here, so this type of anchor text, and I don't see any anchor with our keywords. We don't have internal links, and just pretend if you just look at the website, you remove all content, just keep only anchor and alt text, like of your internal links, and you should understand what is the business about. If you see only home, it can be any website. But if you see public speaking or presentation, like this, links, anchor text, you can understand what is the website about. This is also one of the parameters for search engine, for Google algorithm. You need to think about your internal links. Guys, is it clear? please just type plus if you understood that internal links is very important and we need to work hard on it. Okay, great. Okay, so I forgot something. I forgot, sorry, in my presentation. But the time is already 7:10. We have some more check, and I think it's a good idea to provide one more time new webinar. So guys, if you like my webinar, please just write a good review on our Facebook page. And also, I suggest you, if you want to know more about search and optimization, I provide myself personal SEO course where I can explain about all techniques how I do SEO. Not like just theory. It's practical course. I show you like why I need to choose this link, why this link is good, why this is bad, why we can't write title like this, why we should write like this. It's like, you know, from the practice. And the new course will be starting from 2nd of May, and it will cost just 500 dirham. It will be 4 sessions with 2-3 hours each session. You can check my program on the website BeOnTop SEO course. If you go to the page, you can check the program. And I will explain you first, very important, history of the algorithms. It's very important because I spent 12 years on search optimization. I know what we should do, what we shouldn't. And it's like search optimization rules. This is my the best, you know, like very important part of search optimization you should know, because you can't get it from anywhere. It's just from experience. And we, of course, will connect to Google Analytics, to Webmaster, and I will show you how to create semantic core of your keywords, semantic keyword research. It's very important part. We shouldn't work only for 20 or 30 keywords. We should work with the 100 keywords. And website structure, as I explained right now, SEO frog, how deeply like work with the search SEO frog, technical optimization, all parameters what we need to understand, on-page optimization, where we can explain what is it, what is how to write description, title, and like how to check content on uniqueness, off-page optimization, how to create the backlinks, like free backlinks, a lot of backlinks by yourself. You don't need to buy. Also, I explain you how to create your private blog network, like your own website, which you handle yourself and just make backlinks to your website. It's also a great idea to get backlinks on the website and get good results. Just 4 sessions, 2-3 hours, it's enough to understand deeply how to do search engine optimization. Just be in touch and follow my LinkedIn, and you can just check my new webinars. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.